Alright guys, this is Mike here with Trushine Cleaning. Here at a new customer's house. I heard cleaning a two-piece sofa Loveseat. As you can see, it's very soiled. So, and I cleaned this type of furniture before, and what I've learned is when it gets shady like that, you see, I did that with the vacuum as I was vacuuming it out, and as I was going, it means it's a lot of dirt on this arm of the couch, as you can see. So I'm pretty sure this furniture is going to clean up very well. So I'm trying to show you guys a cushion that's very dirty. Maybe this one, as you guys can see. So look at how the back look. Supposed to look like that. Well, more blue anyway, but you can see how this side look. So I want to get a good, let me take a picture of that. Alright guys, sorry, I hit the wrong button. Thought I was trying to take a picture of it, but anyway. So you guys a little bit of the cleaning. I'm gonna actually I want to do the couches itself first, because I actually like to do those first because those are the most physical ones. I have to scrub all the arms and everything. All the cushions, I can work on the table, and I don't have to bend my back or anything. So I kind of work that way first. I get all the most physical part of the job out the way. Then I work on the cushions. So I've been here for about 30 minutes setting up everything, got everything vacuumed. Probably take about another 30-45 minutes to get everything done. So depends on how good it starts coming out. So I'm going to pre-spray everything, especially these cushions. I'm going to let them sit for a while, so let the pre-spray really work, so I don't have to scrub and take as much time on those cushions. But everything else should come out great. So show you guys. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you. Show you guys a little something real fast. As you guys can see, look at that arm on that couch. Look at that one. As you guys can see, watch this. That's a white microfiber tile. All I'm gonna do is just rub it. Look how much dirt that is. Do it again. Watch this. That's how much dirt is on that couch. Mind you, I've already pre-sprayed it, and I soaked it a little bit with that, just plain water. It helps it lift the dirt off the fabric a little easier. So now I'm about to get ready to extract it. Show you guys some of the process. Alright, you guys, showing you a little bit of this cleaner. It's a lot of grease, like hair grease, build up on this on this pillow. It was a lot on almost everything, so it's taking me quite some time to get it all out. But it's coming up pretty good. I just have to constantly rinse it out. I may have to go over it again because we still see some light shades. All right, you guys, finish up this two-piece sofa and Loveseat. Everything came out great. A lot of those tough, oily backings came out great. I believe these two right here was the worst. This one and this one. So after cleaning all of those, now I'm about to get ready to disinfect the furniture. Keep in mind, the customer said they got this furniture from someone, so they did want to disinfect it. So I'm using a standard product that works great on furniture for disinfecting.